So I should introduce myself first. What's up, people? Moto here. Today we're gonna switch out these saddlebags on this 07 V-Star. Super easy work to do. All I gotta do is remove this seat here. As you can see, these are like mad old. As soon as I got it, these latches broke. This thing recently was touching the pipe and just damn near melted off. And you can see the studs are rusted. I don't know if maybe this sat out for a while or what, but the bike itself runs really great. We're gonna switch them out to these guys here. I was able to find these on Facebook for a pretty good price. He also threw in a backrest bag, so that'll be cool to add on there. Don't need much for this, just need a 10mm socket. You gotta take this seat off here. When I take this seat off, I learned the hard way that there's this like weird hook down here. This thing, I don't know if you can see me pointing at it, but I like to put my hand down there, pull it out this way so that it doesn't smack onto the tank like it did the first time. So then you see the two screws down there, the two bolts. We're gonna ratchet those guys out. There's one. Let's grab this guy out of there. Okay, leave these two here. Battery. And then we can take this guy off. Okay, alright. Got the old ones off. Toss these over here. Looks like it's going to be a tight fit. If I just do it, it's literally going to be the one move right there. Alright. Finishing getting the back seat on. Get this nice and tight. There we go. That's good. Okay, good. Okay. A little is with the new bags